There's me, there's the Sega sign, there's the Sega sign, and I'm the guy behind the camera working on CGR 20th this morning. Dog's barking like usual. Darth Vader 2600 is the review I'm editing at the moment, and I'm actually sending this back to a 2010 era classic game room. The whole production is really kind of this throwback to 2010 era, which was my favorite era. I had a lot of fun in those years. Classic game room on future Laserdisc.
Vanished from Earth Classic Game Room broadcast from the intergalactic
Little loud.
space arcade on its never-ending mission to review everything.
It's the retro font and the old school intro.
Welcome to Classic Game.
Oh, that's a different video altogether. That set was such a pain in the ass to film in, but it was fun though. A lot of fun. There's RoboCop. All right. It's actually the intro from the Atari Vox review, if anyone's interested. And then we jump up here to the new footage. You guys want to see the beginning of the 2600 review? It goes from the Darth Vader Atari to Human Cannonball to Gunstar Heroes. Cold this morning or something. Oh, this is gonna be exciting, isn't it? Hey! Woo!
Welcome to the dark side of Atari. It's the Darth Vader model Atari 2600. But it doesn't say Star Wars anywhere, or Darth Vader. Why did people call it that?
So here's the Human Cannonball review. I have not recorded the narration yet. I'm gonna do that in a little bit here. And I'm going to shoot some inserts in front of the CRT, where I'm going to get into character once again. I'm going to stop being responsible producer Mark and actually get into irresponsible classic game room Atari playing Mark, which is a whole lot more fun, by the way. This is the Gunstar Heroes review. Narration is done, and I've got the intro from a 2008 review on that one. Over here I'm giving it a 2016 era intro, which I really liked. This is actually a great intro. Got the happy beer drinking guy with some beer.
Vanished from Earth Classic Game Room broadcast from the intergalactic
There's a rack focus shot.
space arcade on its never-ending mission
Simulated dolly, where I put the camera on a t-shirt and slid it across the desk.
to review everything.
And Jesus Bierstein in front of the Vectrex. You can't go wrong with that. Yellow Mark III era. And I'm gonna redo this intro to say Human Cannonball. All right. Then I can start to check some things off here in my list. I'm gonna rearrange the edit a little bit. I have the whole thing on the timeline here, but as you can see, I'm working on this part down here. Darth Vader, Human Cannonball, Gunstar Heroes. I'm not sure what's after that yet. I might put one of the newer games in there, like Dead or Alive 6, and then go to Odyssey 2 voice module, which is hilarious. So you should be spitting beer out of your nose within seconds. Here, I want to show you the science of editing here. Something that worked out pretty well. Notice where the music ends, the switch flips, cuts right to the intro.
Vanished from Earth Classic.
Beautiful.